Hello everyone. Welcome to the first session on the open course in English, Applied Language Skills. And in this session, as I've told you earlier, we are going to start with the third module. Okay. So the first section in the module 3 is about the conventional resources that we normally use for the language enhancement. Okay, so the conventional resources are, something that we are quite familiar with, something that was there, down to the through the tradition. It was there for us to enhance, for us to improve our language. Which are those resources? You just have to understand, just have to have a very basic idea about what exactly it is. You have to, you should be in a position to say the definition also. That is also important. Okay, so I'll go for a PPT. You will get the details there. And along with that, I'll give you a PDF also, and I'll share with you some notes also, because there is no textbook that is available. I'll give you the notes also. Okay, so the conventional resources are, you are already familiar with them. One is dictionary. Okay, it is also pronounced as dictionary. That is another correct way of its pronunciation. So dictionary is one way in which you can improve your English language. Another type is like another resource is, you can say, thesaurus. Thesaurus means you have the meaning of the different synonyms. Okay, synonyms of the same word. So you can use some words which are quite good, or you can say which gives you a kind of a good feel. Such types of words also you can see, you can study when you learn and read thesaurus. Then you have then we have another resources, pronunciation dictionary gives you, it is a dictionary with only the pronunciation in that, how you have to pronounce one word. Pronunciation of the word is normally given in such types of dictionaries. Okay, the transcription of a word, transcription, you are already familiar with that, in your the first semester and all. You might have studied how to pronounce a word per word, like that, the phonetic transcription symbols you might have learned. So in a pronunciation dictionary, you will have only what is the transcription of the word. Okay, and then next is collocation dictionary. Collocation dictionary are those dictionaries, and there are certain words which we call as collocative words. Collocative means they go together. Okay, some certain words, they go together. Always they come as a kind of a combination. Such types of dictionaries are there. Then you have dictionaries of idioms and phrases. You might be familiar with that kind of dictionary. And lastly, we have grammar books. You have Cambridge grammar book in English. Like that. Grammar books are available. So these are the conventional methods. These are the traditional methods that we have used so far, or till now, or till recently, to improve our language. Okay. So we'll go for a presentation. Yes, of all the conventional resources, the first one that we have to study is a dictionary. A dictionary is basically a listing of words in one or more specific languages, often arranged alphabetically. Normally, it is arranged in an alphabetic order, alphabetically, which may include information on definition, usage, etymologies. Etymologies means the origin of the word. Okay, definition means what exactly you mean by that particular word. For example, when we look at the word package. Okay, so first thing is like what do you mean by a package is given there. Then you can say usages, in which all contexts we actually use that particular word, package. You can say like as a verb, how exactly it is used, as a noun, how exactly it is used, like that. Then etymology means the origin of the word, from where this particular word has come up. Is it from English, is it from French, is it from Spanish, like that. Then you have the pronunciation of that particular word, and how exactly you have to pronounce this word, package. Then in some cases, especially when you talk about bilingual dictionaries, like when from English to Malayalam kind of dictionaries, you can see a translation of this particular word package into Malayalam or into Hindi, likewise. Okay, so that is dictionary. Then a broad distinction is made between general and specialized dictionaries. General dictionaries are something that you all are familiar with, but along with that you have specialized dictionaries. Specialized dictionaries means it is talking about the words in specialist field, like you have medical dictionary, you have architecture dictionary, you have literary terms, literary terms kind of dictionary of literary terms. Okay, likewise, that is specialized dictionaries. Okay, then rather than complete range of words in a language, rather than all the words in English language, you go for a dictionary of literary terms, dictionary of economic terms, like that. Okay. Then another type of categorization is of dictionary is based on the number of languages that we actually deal with in a dictionary. That bilingual dictionary we have in Kerala, and all we have trilingual dictionary, Hindi, English, Malayalam type of dictionary. You're getting it. So, or you can say these dictionaries are also called as translation dictionary. Okay, it's a specialized dictionary used to translate words or phrases from one language to another. Bilingual dictionaries can be unidirectional, meaning that they list the meaning of the word. Unidirectional means English to Malayalam. Okay, like for all the English words you can see a Malayalam, but there are some other cases where both English to Malayalam and Malayalam to English, like bidirectional, like that are also available, allowing translation from and to both languages. Okay. Then next one is a thesaurus. Thesaurus is basically a synonym dictionary. Synonym means the different meanings. If you speak in Malayalam, it's like പര്യായങ്ങൾ നമ്മൾ പറയില്ല, same thing. Okay, so synonym dictionary, it's a reference work for finding synonyms and sometimes antonyms. Rarely you can see in thesaurus there are antonyms. Antonyms means opposites. Okay, so synonym means the words with similar meaning, like that. This is so that is also available. You can see the same thing. Thesaurus is available in our library also. Then next one is pronunciation dictionary. This is an example of pronunciation dictionary. You can see Cambridge English Pronouncing Dictionary. Daniel Jones is a very popular writer, okay, in this field, in the field of pronunciation. This is like a very famous book, pronunciation dictionary. Okay, then next one is you can say this is like insight of you can see that in the pronunciation dictionary, where there is a word is given. Okay, I hope you can see this. For example, the word Aaron, it is given over here, Aaron. Then the next to that there is no meaning of the word Aaron is given. In fact, it is a pronunciation of Aaron, how it is pronounced in British English and how it is pronounced in American English, that is given up there. Okay, so that is about pronunciation dictionary. Then next one is you can say collocation dictionary. Collocation dictionary, Merriam-Webster dictionary defines collocation as a noticeable arrangement of conjoining of linguistic elements, such as words. Certain words, they come together. Okay, so this is an example. This is a photo of a collocation dictionary, Oxford Collocations Dictionary for students in English. Okay, certain words, they come together. So which are they? How exactly they come together? So that is collocations of words are often used together. If you click in this link, you can see the examples of collocation. There are so many words that are available. Study somewhere around 4 or 5 collocations so that you can write in your answer. Then next one is dictionary of idioms and phrases. An idiom is a phrase, a saying, or a group of words that are metaphorical, that has a metaphorical meaning. Like when you go by each word, it might mean different, but when you take it as a phrase at that time, it has got one specific meaning. Okay, ആ വാക്കുകൾ വ്യത്യസ്തമായിട്ട് നോക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ഇറ്റ് ഹാസ് ഗോട്ട് എ ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് മീനിങ്. പക്ഷെ ഒറ്റ സെൻറ്റൻസിൽ ആ ഒരു ഫ്രേസായിട്ട് എടുത്ത് നോക്കുമ്പം ഇറ്റ് മീൻ സംതിങ് എൽസ്. ഇതാണ് നമ്മൾ ഇഡിയംസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, സോ ദാറ്റ് നോർമലി ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് അക്സെപ്റ്റബിൾ ആസ് by the general public as the meaning of that particular phrase. Okay, so this is an example of Cambridge Idioms Dictionary. It's like available again. Okay, then we have next one is next page is this is like an example of that it is given. I'll share the PPT so that you can go through it. Okay, then the next one is the last conventional resource is grammar books. It is basically a book containing an account of the grammatical facts of a language. What exactly are the pattern that we have to follow when you look into a language, that grammatical facts are given there. Then recommendations, more or less as rules for a proper use of language. How exactly you can use English language in the proper way. So these are the recommendations for that. Like that is what exactly is done by a grammar book. So you have Cambridge Grammar of English, books like this are available. So that is about the conventional resources of energy. Okay, so the conventional resources of language. So these are the ways through which we can in fact study the conventionally or traditionally you can improve our language.